delighted to be back at Sheffield Hallam University, my old university, to see how the second year students have got on with our event production brief.
I really enjoyed working on the brief. It was great to be able to explore and research things that we wouldn't have necessarily covered in uni, to look into Quadrant a bit more, and especially the tech side of events.
It was a really good insight into what the industry actually has to do on a pitch and the research that goes behind it.
Actually opened my eyes, and I actually felt like it could be an option for me for my future.
I think doing projects like this have given us a lot of feedback and experience that we need for the future, and I think it'll be really exciting just to use that and see what we can do.
The students have come up with some great ideas. I really, really loved it. Maybe it's just a small percentage back at the start of the term would have said yes to corporate events, and now I think it's a bigger percentage would be happy to go into the world of corporate, for sure.
We've had an absolutely brilliant day here today at Sheffield Hallam University. It's been fantastic to see how the students have got on with the brief that we set them, and just how exciting it is to see them develop in their future event management career.